Hello everyone, this is Sabirushan and welcome to ArcGIS tutorial for beginners class 2. Today we'll discuss about the geoprocessing tool and some others on Arc Toolbox analysis. So let's start. Geoprocessing is for everyone that uses ArcGIS. Whether you are a new user or old pro, geoprocessing will become an essential part of your day-to-day work with ArcGIS. And now come to the point, tools of geoprocessing. There are some tools in geoprocessing. At first, buffer. The construction of area features by extending outward from point, line or polygon features over a specific distance available with an ArcGIS license. This is created by buffer. And next one, clip. The clip tool is an overlay function that cuts out an input layer with the extent of defined features boundary. Then merge. Merge is a process in which input features from multiple input sources of the same data type combined into a single new output features class. The input data source may be point, line or polygon features, classes or tables. Then the next one is dissolve. This dissolve tool unifies boundaries based on the common attribute values. Like there are three residential building in dissolve. They create a one residential building under this. In other words, dissolve merges neighboring boundaries if the neighbors have the same attributes. Okay, next one is intersect. Intersect computes the geometric intersection of two layers and creates a new layer only containing the features in the common area of two layers. The attribute table of the new layer lists the data of the two layers. Okay, then the next one is union. A union is an analytical process in which the features from two or more map layers are combined into a single composite layer. Erase tool is an analytical process in which the output features class is created by copying the portion of the input features that lie outside the boundaries of erase feature. And the next one is identity. Identity is an overlay operation commonly used in GIS software. It allows the user to combine the attributes of one overlapping feature into another. And last one is the update feature. The attributes and geometry of the input features are updated by the update features of output feature class. And today we'll learn how to work this. So let's start. Click on geoprocessing tool. So buffering, there is some geoprocessing tool: buffer, clip, intersect, union, merge, dissolve. So at first we work on buffer. Click on the buffer. Here there are two options: input features, output feature class. Input feature class, which feature we want to create buffer. So I want to select important location, so I drag to important location. I drag important location into input features. Okay, and output features, they are automatic created a folder. You can also customize, so I can use them. This is my folder, so I select it and rename the folder file name Sami. Then click on save. And there are portion this is distance. How on let give a distance. I want to give a distance, let 5 meter. Select unit. I want to select unit in meters, and we can ignore all other options and click on OK. So a new feature will be created named named important location buffer. We can see them. If you zoom in, we can see them. This is the buffer. This is the buffer which is created. Okay. Next one is clip. Click on geoprocessing, then double click on clip feature. The next one is clip function. Go to geoprocessing and click on clip function. Then here see input feature, clip feature. The clip tool cards an input layer to define features boundary. Like if you want to select a small study area from a large file, the clip feature will card on the boundary and present it to us. The clipping layer must be a polygon. Okay, then input, let's the input. If we see a circle boundary, this is the circle boundary, and we want to see that the which are may completely uh, input this circle. So let input features is, we want to see building, how which building can completely in completely inside this circle. So let's input features is building. Okay, this is building, and we want to see circle boundary. Then click on clip feature is circle. Then we want to rename. Okay, clip. We're done. Then okay, here is the clip features. If you change the color, then we show. Here is the clip feature. Clip features show which building are completely inside the circle. This is the function of clip features. And then intersect. Then intersect. If we want to intersect point is intersect tool calculate the geometric intersection of any another features classes and features list. The features are a portion of features that are common to all inputs, and that is that will be written to the output feature class. If we see circle and rectangle, which portion are commonly intersected. So you use intersect tool. Then uh, here the input features, we select rectangle and select circle. Okay, uh, then okay, click on OK. Here is the, this is the intersect portion. Okay, if we want sense color, then it show nicely. This is the intersect portion. Okay, then the next one is union. The union tool combines input data layers into a single opposite layer, preserving the boundaries and attributes from all input features. When features overlap, it creates separate features from them. For non-overlapping parts, this also get passed into the output as well. For example, if you want to see rectangle and circle, then at first click on union tool, then select if you want to see rectangle intersect and circle or circle to use common union tool, then click on rectangle intersect and clip. Okay, then show it will show how to its work. You see, this is the intersect. I change color, then we will show this is intersect. Here all features which are not intersected also be shown. The next one is merge. Merge combines multiple input dataset into a single new output dataset and single entity. The tool can combine point, line, or polygon features, classes, table, etc. If we see, uh, if we see, if you want to see rectangle intersect and merge union, sorry, if you want to see and as rectangle and uh, circle are merging, so if and then click on merge tool, okay, and select rectangle, sorry, circle and rectangle, then okay, then shows all the intersection point or non-intersection point are same attribute. If you see the attribute table here, the one attribute table is here, no another feature, only one feature. Okay, now if we want to see dissolve is dissolve arrangement features based on specified attribute. For example, if there are three different buildings, the dissolve will aggregate this under one single attribute. Let input the merge file, and if we see the building, if we see the building attribute table, wait, there are many other building like here is the like administrative, residential, utility, then academic, service facility. There are two service facility. The utility resolve is features based on specified attribute. If we want to see that the utility service are completely combined in one row, service facility are in one row, then we use dissolve features. If we dissolve features, then input features is building. If we drag and them, uh, then we here is the option. I want to building name and use. Okay, then okay, this is the building dissolve. Then if we see the attribute table, here is show that academic purpose, administrative purpose, culture and other purpose. So there is a, here we see that all the academic purpose in one row, all the administrative purpose in one row. This is the only main purpose is dissolve features. And now if you want to erase feature is the erase tool remove the area that is overlapping with the erasing features. Everything outside the erasing layer ends up in the output. The input layer is the feature will be erased. And then let's select width boundary is input, then the erasing layer determines what to erase. Let us select a building. Wait, go search for tools, then erase, click on erase analysis. Okay, click, double click. Okay, here we select input boundary is width boundary, input feature, drag to input feature. Okay, and building feature, erase feature, then click OK. We see that this is okay, this is the erase feature. And now come to the identity. Identity in GIS, identity is overlay the operation commonly used in GIS software. It allows the users to combine the attributes of one overlapping features into another. The identity overlay takes two or more layers and gives intersecting areas of layers with the targeted identity layer. The characteristics of identity layer, in other words, the identity method preserves only the features that fall in the area extent in the input layer. Also include the attribute information in the database of the overlay portion of identify feature over the input features will be merged. To work on identity, double click on it. Identity, double click on it. This is the identity. If you want to see that the who is are just only inside in the proposed area extension area, then click on input feature is proposed extension area, and output feature is if we previously work on Mars, then which are then Mars one, then okay. And here is show that this is only the this is the feature which are totally inside the attribute. If you see, this is the this is the information. Okay, so today's tool will work. And last one is area calculation. Now if you want to see how much area is covered by building, road, and proposed area in proposed extension area and area, what can we do? It's simple. Go to geoprocessing tool, then double click on Mars, and, and select road and building, and also other option. And if we previously merged the features and identity features, so this is the our work is already done. But there is a here is showing that the new building null, substation, new academic building. So we want to see that same category are in one row. So then see, go to CO processing, then dissolve, and select the new and select the identity officer, and okay, then select what which criteria are, oh, then select category, then okay, close, and go to here you show that academic residential utility there is two row are empty because the because there are no category are here, so this is the null. And if you want to if we want to if you want to see the area in percentage, right click on shape area, right click on shape area, then uh, statistics, then we see that the sum, copy that, okay, and create a field, go to add field, okay, name uh, uh, then select I want to double, if that is percentage, okay, then here okay, select percentage all and go to field calculator, okay, yes, click on yes, then percentage equal we want to say shape area, okay, shape area divided by totals area, close, multiple 100, then okay, you see that this is the percentage, okay, then and this is so the shape area covered by percentage will be shown. That's all today. See you next class. Till then, bye bye.